Hey guys, this is Canama5 here. Here we have a 2004-2005 General Electric box fan model 4733. Bought this fan at Goodwill for $10. This replaced my Galaxy 4733 from 2002. And yeah, so I'm gonna run it now. Just making sure that it's in the camera correctly, because I want it. Alright, so here's it's on high. It's gonna be a pain to hang back up. This fan has a really lot of power, as you can see. Here's the side of it. The back of it. Get my arm out of the way. And the other side. The other side. And in the grill, I lost the 2 screws to it. Vacuumed them up accidentally when I was vacuuming. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.